What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, I talk and do everything pinball. So if that sounds interesting to you, then think about hitting that subscribe button down below. Only those of you that are really close to me know about the battle that I am currently or have been having. Don't know how to word that. But there's been a battle between me and my godforsaken getaway machine for over a year now. I have the cabinet and everything ready to go. It's pretty much Cary, ready to go, waiting for my Playfield to be Cary as well. But I didn't want just to have another rigmarole getaway like everyone else has. I wanted it to be different. I wanted it to stand out and be the first of its kind. Little did I know that that was going to require so much more effort than I thought was going to happen. I plan on doing an entire video whenever this machine actually gets completed, showing you all the trials and tribulations that I have done on this damn machine. But hopefully I am getting closer to being done. I keep taking breaks and not completing the damn Playfield, but I'm hoping that I'm getting closer to where I can finally get this thing put back together. I'm not going to go too much into detail on what I'm doing and why I'm doing this until I actually make the getaway video. But what this video is going to involve is showing you how I'm going to be installing, or applying rather, the water slide decals for my inserts. So let's do it. I'm going to speed this up to 200% just to give you a quicker idea and reasoning behind why I'm doing what I'm doing. So I have crafted these getaway decals, and when I say crafted, I mean I have essentially scanned decals into my computer and I have made them even better using the magic of Photoshop. So now that I have printed these out on water slide paper, I'm now going to be using these decals to cover up the other water slide decals that are hidden underneath a layer of automotive clear coat. So the decal goes into just some regular lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold, but just right. While it's soaking up the water, loosening up the adhesive on there, I'm applying a decal setting solution that can be purchased at your local hobby store. Then I apply the decal, but I'm going to use a LED light to make sure that it's going to line up correctly on top of it. You can see how I slide it off the way I do by holding down one end to make sure it stays exactly where it needs to be. Using a microfiber cloth, I'm able to squeegee out any excess solution and dry off any type of liquid that may be on or around or underneath the decal. I'm always going to have one finger in place to make sure the decal does not shift over, because this decal is not set. I'm going to let it set for at least 24 hours before I start doing anything else to the machine. It's going to sit longer than that, but you want to make sure that it at least sets for 24 hours. One decal might not have been enough to show you exactly what to do, so let's do one more. Let's do the extra ball insert. I'm mainly just cutting roughly around just to get it away from the other decals so I can work on precision cutting by itself. It takes a steady hand to make sure that you're only cutting to where the entire insert is showing. Dropping that into the water, let it soak up, brushing on just a little bit, of this decal solution, and of course you want to make sure you dust off the area with your microfiber towel, that there are no other dust or any other kind of particles that may come in contact with this insert. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like if it was not to be directly on top of what the other insert decal is underneath it. I'm going to shift it over a little bit and you can see. And there it is, guys. That's how you apply water slide decals to inserts. Pretty damn easy, actually. I will leave a link in the description down below to the website where I purchased this water slide decal paper from. I also use a laser printer. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. So if you liked it, maybe you learned something, give me that thumbs up down there. That really helps out the channel. And in case you haven't already, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you can be notified of whenever I upload new content for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, guys, peace out.